Today we are going to solve question number 151, that is reverse words in string on LeetCode. So let's go to the question first. Given an input string as reverse the order of the words. Okay, so there will be a string given. Suppose the answer, for example, it is the sky is blue. So we have to return output as blue is sky the. Okay, so it should, the string as a whole should be reversed, but the words in the string should not be reversed. Similarly, if we have any extra spaces, that is leading or trailing spaces or in between spaces, it should be reduced to a single space. Okay, so let's start doing it. Let's go to it. So we can do it in a single pass. What we have to do is we have to construct the word, suppose, and append it to at the starting of the string. So suppose we have this as the example, the sky is blue. So what I am thinking of doing is I will start from E, then go to U, L, B, create a word and append it to a variable called answer. Okay, and if I have extra spaces, then I can simply skip it and append one space to the answer. Similarly, we can go to SI and construct a word and append this to the answer. Similarly, we can go to SKYTHE and this will be our answer. Okay, so let's go to the code quickly. We will take a variable n in which we can store the length of the string. Okay, let's take two string builder and call it an answer. Let's call one an answer. Another will be the word which you are going to build. Okay, and I am planning to iterate it from ending to starting, that is from first to last. Okay, so I will start with E, U, L, B and I will construct the word blue. Okay, so I'll show you in the code. So I'll start from the end of the string and I'll go to the beginning and like this. Okay, so if we find a character which is empty, okay, so if we find a character which is a space, and if our word is not empty, or we can say word dot length is not equals to 0, that means we have a word constructed. Okay, so suppose we are coming from here, I have E, U, L, B already constructed. Okay, so let's go to that case first so that you can understand it better. So if I have else if, and if s dot char at I is not equals to space, then what I will do is I will take the word and I will insert that character at the 0th position of that word. Okay, so this is what it is. We will create the word this in this way. So I am starting at E and E is not equals to the character at this position is not equals to space. So what I will do is I will insert it at the starting of the word. Okay, so our word will become E. So our word will have a value of E. In the next iteration, when I will become minus, so I will again take U and insert it in E. Again, similarly I will do for L and B, and then we will encounter a space and our word length will not be equals to 0. So in this case we know that we have an answer. So what I can do is I can append that word in the answer. So I'll append it answer word. Now we also want a space, so I'll add a space to the answer. Okay, looks good. Now what we have to do is we have to initialize the word so that we can construct the next word. Yeah, so I think we are good over here. Now when all the iterations are over, we will have a word which is not there yet. So what we can do is, after the end of the for loop, we can append it simply to the answer, and then we can return the answer. Also you will notice that we will always have one extra leading space in the answer, so we can trim it as well. Okay, let's try to run this code. Let's see if it's work. Okay, so we are having okay, there is a spelling mistake, string builder. Okay, it is getting accepted. Let's try out a different example. Let's try to run this out with a leading space. Sky Bob loves Alice. Okay, it is accepting. Let's try to submit it and see what happens. Yeah, so it works. The solution is not very good, as you can see, but it is working. So how can we improve it?